everyone. Today I have with me Payal Mukherjee. She's someone who personifies diversity. She's a multifaceted talent in the Indian film industry. With a passion for acting, a background in dance, and a roots in pharmacology, Payal has made a name for herself across multiple film industries and platforms. Her dedication, versatility, and charm have endeared her to the audiences and critics alike, making her a rising star to watch. So let's welcome Payal to the show. Hi Payal,
Hello,
what's
Joydeep.
up?
Thank you so much, Joydeep, and the whole team of Twisted Truth for having me here. And I really love this podcast because I have seen mostly the episodes, and it's really something like Kolkata needed this kind of show. So
Right.
I love to watch it, and that's like.
Just to tell you guys, you have not paid her to say this. This is just coming from within.
Actually, coming from my heart.
So ये झूठ तो नहीं बोला ना?
बिल्कुल नहीं. Why should I?
अच्छा, चलो, great. So tell me something. For our audiences who are watching, you're an actor.
Hmm.
You have danced before.
Hmm.
I'm sure you dance now as well.
Hmm.
And you have a business
Hmm.
in the pharma sector. Okay. How, did you decide that you will do all three things when you were growing
No,
up
no,
or
no.
during your early formative years, or this happened by chance?
I went with the flow.
Okay.
So it happened. So I was into academics. I did my master's in pharmacology. Then I was started my career as an assistant professor in a university. Then I came to film industry, the glamour world. That was my passion. Then again, but yeah, I was doing all these things simultaneously.
Okay.
It's not like one after another.
Right.
When I was pursuing my master's, that time I started my acting career. Then I started my entrepreneurship in medical field because I am from medical background. And actually, there are many other reasons why I started my entrepreneurship because, see, being an actor, it's very insecure job. There's no certainty of getting this amount you will get in
Fixed.
fixed.
Correct.
Exactly.
Yes.
So that's actually motivated me, and I started just after COVID. And when COVID came, we all know the concept of life changed in our lives. So that time I decided to explore this field, this entrepreneurship, and many things are in my mind that like being an actor. We can see many actors suffering from different type of financial issues and
Absolutely
all.
right.
I
Yes.
wish if I God give me that kind of thing, then I can help them, or I will try to.
That's a wonderful
do
thought.
something
You know?
for them.
At least the thought is beautiful. You know?
Yeah,
People
thank you.
तो ऐसे सोचते भी नहीं हैं, but
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छा है. But जैसे कि you said that the financial security of an actor or of a rising actor
Hmm.
is not as much as any other field or sector. So that's why you decided to take up entrepreneurship as well. Having said that, even entrepreneurship, you're not fixed anything because it depends on how you perform, how your business
True,
performs.
true.
So why did you decide entrepreneurship and not like a job?
When you are into entrepreneurship, you can provide employment. That's the another thing.
Absolutely, yes.
You know, right now when my parents tell me that you should get married, I say, see, I can't think about my family right now because I'm seeing my all employees family.
Right.
I have more than 30 employees right now in my firm. So I have to take care of all of them and their families.
Right.
So like this. So I feel this kind of thing I can do for people.
Right.
So if I'm into entrepreneurship, I can do for people. So that's why I came into entrepreneurship.
So to give the audience an idea, so when you were working as an actor, what was the kind of money that you were making per month? And right now, what is the kind of money that you're making per month? You don't have to be exact,
Correct.
okay? But you can give an
I
idea.
Can say 10 times more than an actor.
Now, what
I'm
is 10
making-
times? You have to give थोड़ा सा तो figure देना पड़ेगा ना, नहीं तो फिर audience
See,
कहाँ से
if you ask me about the Kolkata, you know, Kolkata industry is
Calcutta का ही
small.
बोलो, yeah.
हाँ, Kolkata industry is small. So you can make money in lakhs only.
Right.
हाँ, बाहर पे भी वैसा ही है,
वैसे ही है, but
फिर
तो- हाँ.
भी you know, South industry, they give you good amount
Right.
of money. हाँ.
So basically
If you-
she says,
And I can say you, if I do one project in South, कोलकाता का 1 साल का जो मतलब जो
हाँ।
कमाई है और जो भी है तो वो मिल
वो
जाता
मिल
है
जाता है,
इन
मिल
वन
जाता है।
प्रोजेक्ट इन
Right.
साउथ या
And when it comes to entrepreneurship, that's 10 times more, right?
Yeah.
So that, guys, you can do the math yourself. That's the kind of money that she's earning, and awesome. That's great
yeah.
because you are having 30 people.
Any IT people recruited you here? No.
No, not
Hopefully
at all.
not.
This is a normal question, and you see,
Okay.
earning money is not a crime. You are earning
True.
money in the right ways, and it's great.
True.
Okay, so and you're a businesswoman,
Mhm.
so kudos to that. So, how do you how does a daily day in your life look like? Like, how do you manage all the three things together at present? I'm sure, like, obviously the film
Huh.
projects or the shooting projects are not every day. It
Exactly.
happens time to time.
That,
But suppose
that's
there's a
freelancing thing, na? So that's
exactly.
why I can.
But suppose there's
get-
a project going on
Hmm.
and you have your business.
that time
Then how do you?
I'm completely into the project.
Okay, then
When
who
the,
handles
even
your
I don't
business?
pick
Then?
my call from my office.
Okay, so there's someone handling your business at that time.
People are there. My family is also involved
Acha.
in my business.
Okay.
So people are there. But when I'm doing a project as an actor, so we need to concentrate on the character, on the project. So I can't focus in any other thing. So
Right.
that time I have to focus only the character. How can I make that more real, more realistic? So that's not possible. But otherwise, in normal day, I do gymming in the morning.
Right.
Then I used to go to office. And then in the evening time, I used to go for my meetings, my film industry work and like this.
Okay. So you've worked in Telugu industry,
Yeah.
Malayali industry, Hindi industry, and also the Bangla industry.
Bangla and Bangladesh, both.
And Bangladesh,
Yeah.
okay. So if I have to, let's segregate into three industries: the Hindi industry, the South industry, and the
Bengali
Bangla
industry.
industry. How is it different from one another? Like, if you have to give pointers.
So see, South industry is the most professional one.
Okay.
Most. Because they love cinema. They love cinema, they eat cinema, they sleep cinema.
Okay.
They just worship cinema. So that's why South people are, that's why they're doing so good. See,
Right.
all those movies they're making right now. So they're too good in their job. So I love to work in South industry. Bollywood industry is also good. Of course, they are technically very sound. But still, I feel they have some ego problem. Okay, Bollywood has like, we are from Bollywood.
Okay.
And you guys are from regional industry.
Right.
So that I feel. And Kolkata Bengali industry always, it has their glory, the pride we had. Okay, Satyajit Ray, Mrinal Sen,
the past
Hrithik
glory you're
Ghadot.
talking about.
So, but I think we should do better now. It's high time to do better job right now in Bengali
That's
industry.
a nice diplomatic way to put.
No, but I felt actually. I'm just sharing with you.
Okay.
But South industry, I love it.
Great.
Yeah.
So how do you adapt to these three different industries while working? Because the language is different, people are different.
That's actually difficult. But nenu koncham Telugu matladtanu.
You learned? What did you just say? Telugu?
I said, I can speak little Telugu.
Oh wow.
Nenu koncham Telugu matladtanu.
So have you like picked it up?
I had to.
How many languages do you speak?
Hindi, English, Bengali, and koncham Telugu.
Okay, that's little Telugu if I
little Telugu.
Okay.
So, but I know I love you in every language.
Okay, in every language, like how many languages?
In Malayalam, it's called Na ninnu snehikunnu.
Okay, Telugu,
Ninnu premistunanu.
Anything else? Hindi, Bangla, I'm sure you know.
Hindi, Bangla, to everybody knows.
Any other language?
Yeah, I knew. अभी भूल गई हूँ.
अच्छा ठीक है, कोई नहीं.
तमिल भी सीखे थे, but
अच्छा.
I forgot now.
So, कभी ऐसा सेट पे कोई embarrassing moment हुआ है?
सेट पे? देखो होता रहता है actually.
कोई ऐसा which has been like stuck in your head?
Yeah, sometimes with the costumes and all, ये सब तो होता ही रहता है. पर the film industry is like, वहाँ पे होता भी है and बहुत सारे मेसअप होता भी है, क्योंकि आप कुछ भी रिहर्स कर लो, ऑन सेट चीजें चेंज हो जाती है. हाँ, तो होता रहता है, पर वो यू कैन कीप इट इन योर माइंड के वो रख के आपको रहना नहीं है, क्योंकि मेनी थिंग्स जस्ट ऑन सडन होता रहता है.
Right.
So
and I'm sure you have lot of fans across the industry.
Hmm.
So have you ever received like a very strange request from a fan?
हाँ,
कैसा, जैसे
marry
कि
me.
ये स्ट्रेंज क्या है, ये तो बहुत कॉमन है आज के, सबको लिख
Of
दे.
course, हाँ,
ये है ये स्ट्रेंज, बट इट्स
strange.
बिकम वेरी कॉमन.
हाँ, और क्या, love you, marry me, this kind of, and हाँ, people if they use any abusive words or abusive,
Have you
I
ever
just,
received like a bad, derogatory
हाँ
or a
हाँ
creepy
हाँ हाँ
DM?
हाँ हाँ.
क्या, tell us
मुझे एक चीज तो मतलब आई डोंट नो मुझे शेयर करना चाहिए या नहीं.
नहीं नहीं, सब कुछ शेयर करना चाहिए.
लाइक जस्ट बिफोर दुर्गा पूजा हम लोग वो जाते हैं ना, आपको वो जहाँ पे बनता है दुर्गा
हाँ
माँ,
हाँ हाँ हाँ
हाँ,
हाँ, yeah,
वहाँ पे
हाँ.
एक मैंने फोटो क्लिक करवाया था. तो उस टाइम पे दुर्गा माँ एंड एवरी ऑल आइडल्स आर जस्ट वो बने थे, ठीक है.
Just the structure is made.
structure
Yeah,
was
yeah,
there,
yeah.
हाँ.
हाँ हाँ.
सो अभी वो लोग कवर नहीं थे दैट टाइम. ओके, तो दैट टाइम वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, मतलब जहाँ पे वो होता है दुर्गा काठामो बनता है ना दुर्गा का
एरिया का तो नाम कुमोटुली पता है.
कुमोटुली, right,
अच्छा, ओके, अच्छा ये भूल गया.
correct,
ओके ओके.
कुमोटुली में.
हाँ.
So I put that picture in my social media and I got this kind of comment कि आपका भगवान naked क्यों है?
Oh, that's sad.
That's actually
that's bad.
sad. That's bad. So yeah.
Then how did you reply to that?
See, mostly na this kind of comments
It's best to ignore.
हाँ,
also.
ignore, and all are fake profiles.
Fake profiles, right?
So आप
Yes.
किसके साथ लड़ोगे?
हाँ.
है ना?
हाँ.
तो मैं मोस्टली जाके देखती हूँ कि ये फेक प्रोफाइल है, ये ओरिजिनल
और
प्रोफाइल है.
अच्छा,
अगर
अच्छा.
ओरिजिनल प्रोफाइल है तब तो मैं लड़ूंगी ना.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
तो फेक प्रोफाइल है तो मैं ब्लॉक कर देती हूँ. मुझे और मतलब क्या मेरा टाइम क्यों
Right,
वेस्ट करना है,
right.
नेगेटिविटी स्प्रेड नहीं करना है मुझे.
Right, right, right.
सो
So, what are the depths that you go to while you prepare for a particular role, or has any role so far really challenged you as a human being?
एनी रोल, हाँ, वन ऑफ माई मूवी इन मलयालम ईवा बोल के, एंड I got many awards for that movie, and that was actually very challenging for me because see, one girl, the story, just I'm giving one
Yeah,
liner.
please.
The one girl, she's a traffic surgeon. Okay, she got trapped in a bathroom and as naked,
Okay.
and she has to escape from there, and we have to travel in the jungle. We did some some type of covers and all, but still, but that kind of role, and that's really challenging
Right.
for me. And I got best actress award for that movie.
So,
It's a short one, but I got as-
so while you were doing that role,
hmm.
and there were the crew around, so didn't you feel uncomfortable at any point of time?
See, it depends how the crew are reacting.
Correct. Obviously,
And
yes.
and
Yes, yes.
when I give the first shot, I just check the monitor.
कि how's
I
it
found
looking?
they're how they're taking the shots. Okay, so they are not in looking for any vulgarity.
हाँ 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 हाँ.
Okay,
हाँ, yes.
उनको बस जो सब्जेक्ट है वो निकलना है.
Hmm.
They are not focusing in my any part or any posture.
Correct,
Not like
correct,
that.
Correct.
They're
correct.
just they're getting the subject.
हाँ.
So that time ना you get comfort.
हाँ.
कि आपके क्रू आपके साथ कैसा ट्रीटमेंट कर रहे हैं एंड व्हाट दे आर गेटिंग. तो दैट्स एन इंटरनेशनल प्रोजेक्ट. So but that was very challenging for
Right.
me. And I can remember one thing in South industry. मैं ट्रैक्टर चलवाई थी एक बार एक सीन पे.
क्या
ट्रैक्टर या I'm a good driver by the way. I can drive two-wheeler, four-wheeler, everything. So मुझे ऐसे ट्रैक्टर दे दिया, बोला कि मतलब they are asking me and I said कि चलो ट्राई करते. तो and I tried. It's very not difficult actually. So I did it.
Right. So and how did you get your first break? I forgot this question, but how did you actually land up in the film industry?
So when I was pursuing my masters, that time I started my workshop and theaters.
Okay.
Well, the connection is before because I was a classical dancer.
Okay.
So तो उस टाइम से जो स्टेज है ना, स्टेज and art is मतलब I got love for all these crafts and all. So that time I started my journey, my struggling phase, and then gradually I got a television project in Bengali television. Then I got movies, and it's just
and since from
happened.
there on
It just happened.
And how did you and when did you decide that you want to start your own business? Was it immediately after COVID when there was lack of work, or was it
हाँ,
some
that is also an issue.
right?
हाँ, that is
So was
also
it like
an
a
issue.
very very impromptu decision कि चलो business करते हैं, या कुछ planning research था इसके
हाँ,
लिए?
planning research था.
So
था.
how did you start?
See, I'm from pharmacy background. Actually, my family is mostly all the medical field
Okay,
people.
अच्छा,
हाँ,
right.
so mostly वो medical से ही कुछ करेंगे ऐसा कुछ था.
अच्छा,
हाँ, तो and during COVID, I found कि there is no one point solution. I started my medical entrepreneurship as I just love to build up one point solution.
okay,
Okay,
okay.
I'm doing pharmacies, pharmacy
Hmm.
retail chain, wholesale, and diagnostic, pathology clinics all
Hmm.
together. So I just want to make a one point solution for people, for patients, and people even they can afford, but they don't know where to go.
Hmm.
It happened during COVID. Okay,
Right.
so वो patient comfort वाला चीज भी
Hmm.
दिमाग में था, तो
Right.
वही से I started my journey.
So anybody who's say wanting to start their career in this field, whether they get a job or even they may want to become an entrepreneur in this pharma field.
Mhm.
So what would be your one advice to them?
See, in this field, you need to you have the basic educational background. Actually, that's
Right.
the main thing.
That's yeah.
So you need to have the expertise.
Hmm.
Otherwise, you can't explore in this particular segment.
Hmm.
It's not like other things. It's not like only commercial thing. Okay, knowledge is there. So so you have to start with the academics, and
Hmm.
then you can explore actually.
Right.
So
What according to you, what are the issues that are currently being faced in the pharma industry?
see, issues, if you say about the pharma only,
Yeah,
then
particularly
the
about
particular
pharma.
then
Yeah.
everywhere you can get some discounts and everything.
Yes.
That's actually big issue because people are just they're looking for only discounts, and if you get online things,
Hmm.
sometimes those are not actually the pure medicines. Yeah.
Really?
हाँ adulterate होता है.
But suppose अगर मैं कभी बहुत सारे
बहुत सारे
कंपनीज
ऐसे फॉर्म को
है, ठीक है,
हाँ.
आई विल नॉट नेम इट, बट देयर आर लॉट ऑफ ब्रांड्स व्हिच आर सेलिंग मेडिसिन्स ऑनलाइन, तो वहां से मेडिसिन्स लाना सेफ नहीं है?
नॉट एवरीवेयर, बट आप
अच्छा,
अगर इफ यू
ओह।
सर्च कि बहुत सारे ऐसे एडल्टरेटेड मेडिसिन सीज किया जाता है एंड ऐसा होता है. So where the discount is huge, I'm not talking about the generic medicine. Okay,
right.
you can get good amount of discount in generic medicines, but otherwise, sometimes it may happen.
Okay. What are the other issues in terms of the economy which is being faced in the pharma sector?
No, it's a growing economy actually. Pharma sector is always क्योंकि day by day people are getting sick.
Shit.
Actually, the pollution,
Yeah.
the lifestyle, everybody, everything is.
This is one
making
industry which depends
people-
on other person's sickness. Yeah. That's sad, but that is the reality.
I
Come on.
can't say to my clients कि our issue. Please
Exactly.
visit again.
Yeah, you can't say that, but
every time होता है ना कि आप कहीं पे
अंदर
जा रहे हो तो
अंदर
कहीं
बोलते हो,
रेस्टोरेंट पे
फिर
जाते
से
हो.
बीमार पड़ो, आओ.
No.
नहीं,
I
झूठ
should
बोल
not
रहे
say
हो.
this. No.
You will not
never,
accept that. Come on. ये तो
But so this kind of thing.
Yeah, so no, you're right, because I think there are 2-3 industries like the education, the healthcare. ये industry नीचे नहीं जा सकता,
नीचे नहीं
ये
जा सकता.
ऊपर ही जाएगा with the coming
Anytime.
days and time.
But if you ask me about the again lab things, pathology and all, वहाँ पे भी बहुत सारे ऐसे मैल प्रैक्टिस चलता रहता है. बहुत
जैसे
सारे
कि?
टेस्ट
Give
नहीं
us an
होता.
example.
टेस्ट नहीं होता.
हाँ.
आपका जो प्रीवियस रिपोर्ट है उसका बस डेटा लगा देते हैं वहाँ पे.
What are you saying?
हाँ, एक मैनिपुलेशन, एक डेटा. सपोज आप आए हो, आपका अभी देखो ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस कोई टेक्निकल एरर हो सकता है, कोई कुछ एरर आ
हो ही
गया
सकता है.
फाइनल रिजल्ट पे.
Correct.
ओके, तो दैट टाइम वी शुड डू द सेकेंड टेस्ट. ओके, एंड अभी अगर आप सेकेंड टेस्ट परफॉर्म करोगे तो आपको जो आपका मतलब रीएजेंट्स एंड ऑल है, ये आपका खर्चा अगेन हो जाएगा, राइट? सो समटाइम्स labs do they just manipulate number. It happens.
My God.
And even they sometimes suppose back to back test हो रहा है, तो sometimes they don't perform test, they just put the numbers
And they take the money.
take the money. ये भी है कि आपका सपोज ब्लड सैंपल आया है एंड ब्लड सैंपल आपका सूख गया है, ओके,
अच्छा,
हाँ, उसका भी एक टाइम रहता है, एक प्रोसेस रहता है,
करेक्ट
ओके,
करेक्ट, हाँ हाँ,
सूख गया, उसमें सलाइन वाटर डाल के उसको स्टार करके उससे, पर आपको उससे क्या मिलेगा? सो दिस ऑल मैल
बट as
प्रैक्टिसेस.
normal patients, how do we understand कि कहाँ फिर जाके ब्लड टेस्ट दें? अब तो मैं डर गया, मैं कैसे करूँगा?
हाँ, so you need to
Come to you. Come to you.
please, you can come to me. My healthcare name is Mate Zion, so you can come to me, or otherwise you need to check actually कहाँ पे आप जा रहे हो,
Right.
and
With the reviews and like how do you
reviews,
how do you
and the second thing, आप second opinion, third opinion आपको लेना चाहिए,
word of
आपको
mouth.
2-3 जगह से
Hmm,
एटलीस्ट चेक करके
hmm.
उसको टैली करना चाहिए.
My God,
So
yeah,
like-
pharma people doing this is like
and it
dangerous.
happens because people always have people scared with hospitals and medical thing,
correct,
blood then award
correct,
like this.
correct,
So
correct.
इसका तो थोड़ा सा फायदा लेते हैं मोस्ट, मतलब कभी कभी, मतलब
Sad, yeah.
लेना नहीं चाहिए of course.
Obviously नहीं लेना
so
चाहिए.
this things should not be done.
My God.
Yeah.
What were the most what was the most challenging situation that you faced as an entrepreneur yet?
जैसे आई वाज टेलिंग यू कि नाउ ना मेरे फैमिली, सिर्फ मेरा फैमिली, मतलब माय पेरेंट्स एंड
हाँ,
फैमिली इज नॉट
yes.
माय ओन
You're
फैमिली.
responsible for about
For
100 people,
all
30
those,
team and their family.
their
Yeah.
families. So मेरा अगर कुछ अभी शौक भी होता है ना कि ये लूँ, ये खरीदूं,
जी.
तो मुझे पहले अपना सबका
Yes.
सैलरी एंड ऑल ये सब मिल जाए तो आई गेट दैट. ये
कभी-
एक बहुत रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है एक्चुअली.
अभी आपका जैसे कि 3 साल हो गया
हाँ.
बिजनेस में, कभी कोई भी मंथ्स में लॉस वगैरह कुछ फेस किया होगा?
इनिशियल तो आपको लॉस ही होता है ना, ऑफ कोर्स.
So and
Then-
how do you manage that time, when you're facing losses and you're not
नो,
seeing green?
मेडिकल फील्ड इज लाइक आपको इनिशियली तो आपका जो
हम्म.
प्रोजेक्ट बनता है, आपका इनिशियल आपको वो फर्स्ट फ्यू मंथ्स आपका वो बर्न आउट टाइम रख के ही
रख
आपको
के
स्टार्ट
रहता है.
करना है, अदरवाइज यू कैंट सर्वाइव.
Right.
क्योंकि मेडिकल फील्ड में ना लोगों को ट्रस्ट, इट्स अ ट्रस्ट फैक्टर
Right,
एक्चुअली. आपको
right.
ट्रस्ट लाने में, आप कोई डॉक्टर के पास जाते हो या किसी के पास जाते हो तो आप वहां से कहीं दूसरी जगह पे आना नहीं चाहोगे पहले.
Obviously, yes,
Okay.
yes.
और अगर आप कहीं पे आ जाओ
हाँ,
तो वहां से भी आप जाना नहीं चाहोगे.
एकदम सही, करेक्ट.
So
correct.
that's why आपको for getting clients, getting patients, you need time. So पर आप एक मेडिकल फील्ड इज लाइक आपका एक बार अगर ट्रस्ट आपके जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है इस पे आ गया तो आगे जाके it won't be
Right.
any problem.
So what is the kind of investment that is needed to start such a business?
It depends
On the
actually.
tell
हाँ.
us on the minimum
So-
scale and maybe on the higher scale as well. Give us a range.
I started with my pharmacy retail chain.
Okay.
So I started with 2 pharmacies,
Huh.
and then gradually I did pathology and
Right.
everything. So for pharmacies, it started for 2 pharmacies 50 lakhs.
50 lakh. That's like the
Huh.
average kind of
Huh.
investment
But the
that is.
pathology setup, it's at least 1 year to 1.5 years.
And the break-even time is how many years or months?
in medical field, it's max 1 year.
Okay, 1 year.
1 year.
If you're doing a nice job,
Huh.
you know,
You should remember that 3-6 months you should
have
get
cash
it. हाँ.
to burn,
हाँ.
right? And how important is the role of marketing in this field?
Yeah, it's important. Everywhere marketing is important.
Obviously,
And for
yeah.
medical field, again, you need to connect to the people.
Right.
हाँ कि ये है हमारे पास और we can provide these things to you and you can trust us. So वो आपको पहुंचना है ना. So marketing is important, definitely.
Right.
Hmm.
What do you think? How do people see you as an entrepreneur? In India, in South Asia, there's this still in certain circuits of the society, they're like, okay, she's a woman, she might not be a great entrepreneur.
Hmm.
Have you ever faced that kind of prejudice?
हाँ, डेफिनेटली. इनफैक्ट अभी भी ये होता है कि सपोज आई एम मीटिंग समवन
Right.
एंड मोस्टली आई गॉट इंट्रोड्यूस्ड एज एन एक्टर एंड एंटरप्रेन्योर. ओके, तो लोग वो एक्टर दिमाग में रखते हैं, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप भूल जाते हैं. हाँ, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम जब फिर से मिलते हैं तो बोलते हैं, ओह अच्छा, यू आर इनटू दिस ना. ओके ओके, बट आई हैव ओनली आइडिया दैट यू आर एन एक्टर. सो ये तो बिकॉज आई डोंट नो, तो इट हैपेंस. एंड हाँ, वो जो फीमेल वाला पार्ट, वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, ये तो डेफिनेटली, क्योंकि वुमेन इज डूइंग, मतलब इज प्रॉब्लम फॉर पीपल.
Why do you think so? And why
But male
still
ego,
today?
maybe male ego. I'm a driver. I'm a good driver actually. So I faced it. So जब भी suppose I'm driving और suppose कोई कार से आगे मैं निकल गई और वो देखा कि अरे लड़की ड्राइव कर रही है और हमसे आगे निकल गए, वो मतलब उनको उनका मेल ईगो पे आ जाता है कि लड़की आगे निकल गया ऐसा. सो आई ऑलवेज से कि अगर कोई लड़की ड्राइव करते तो शी मस्ट बी गुड ड्राइवर, क्योंकि हमको सिर्फ हम सब चलाते नहीं, रास्ते पे चलाते नहीं, हम वो मेल ईगो को हार्ड करते हुए चलाना होता है.
अरे वाह, क्या लाइन का है, lovely. So what is your take on men these days? You know, general and also maybe.
आई फील इन आवर जनरेशन मेल आर क्वाइट कूल.
Okay.
हाँ, सो हमारे जनरेशन पे वो वाला चीज़, क्योंकि आज के डेट पे चीज़ें इतना ग्लोबलाइज हो चुका है कि इन आवर फ्रेंड्स, इन आवर सर्कल, हाँ, बॉयज आर क्वाइट, दे डोंट फील कि हाँ कि तुम लोग लड़की हो, तुम लोग साइड रहो.
Hmm.
I don't know about the marriage or relationship. In friendship, people are like very cool-minded.
And what do you look for in a partner if you ever decide to get married or get in a relationship?
The comfort, compatibility.
That's all you look for.
हाँ, actually. There are certain tick point, checklist points, but आप क्या करोगे अगर वो बहुत सुंदर है, लंबा है, हैंडसम है और ही इज वेरी रिच और वेरी सक्सेसफुल, बट आपके साथ मोमेंट्स क्रिएट नहीं होता, यू कैंट गेट दैट कंफर्ट विथ हिम. सो क्या करना वो सारे टिक मार्क्स को लेके, है ना. So
Have you
like,
ever been part of any toxic relationship which has really
yeah,
left a scar?
yeah.
Can
In
you talk
fact-
us through it?
हाँ, how was?
Can you talk us through it? Like, क्या हुआ?
That was actually, I was immature that time. That started in my school days. So
Mhm.
that was toxic, and in fact, I was bitten, and there is a scar.
Still?
Still.
In your face?
Here. So yeah, you have to zoom here. So but मुझे उस पे कोई regret नहीं है. In fact, that was a lesson of life. Life में बहुत सारी चीजें हमको, मतलब ये नेगेटिविटी सिखा के जाता है, I believe. So yeah, that's good. I experienced a lot through that relationship, and that made me very independent kind of woman. कि मुझे financially independent होना है, मुझे करियर पे फोकस करना है. तो it all happened after that relationship.
So
Yeah,
which is
that's
a good
good.
thing. Which is a good
Actually.
thing. Yeah. So have
I'm
you
pleased with that relationship, I
absolutely?
believe.
And have you
Yeah.
ever found love after that?
Yeah, I had relationships after that, but it didn't work.
Right.
क्योंकि मुझे लगता है, पता है, that relationship came in when I was in school. Okay.
Right.
So मुझे लगता है कि स्कूल डेज में ना जो होता है, स्कूल डेज और when you are not in professional life, उस टाइम पे जो relationship होता है, that may be quite pure. क्योंकि उस टाइम पे आपको इतना प्रेशर नहीं रहता, आपको प्रोफेशनलिज्म और ये सारी चीज़ें नहीं रहता उस टाइम पे. पर when you are into this professional thing and आपको पैसा कमाना है, आपको करियर स्टेब्लिश करना है, और ऊपर से प्रेशर होता है, आप इफ़ यू आर इन जॉब, आपका बॉस का प्रेशर, सर्कमस्टेंसेस, एंड दैट टाइम ना आपको प्योर वाला लव नहीं होता है. आई फील सो दैट टाइम इट्स लाइक ठीक है, इट्स लाइक एडजस्टमेंट काइंड ऑफ.
What is love according to you? Today into आज बैठ के मैं पहले का तो मैं समझ गया क्या है. What is love according to you?
आई फील के लव इज लाइक के आप जिसको लव करो, उसको हैप्पी देख के आपको हैप्पी, यू फील हैप्पी.
Right.
दैट इज द लव. उसको अच्छा, इफ दैट पर्सन स्माइल्स, देन यू फील हैप्पी. हाँ, सिंपल.
What do you think are like 3 green flags and 3 red flags
Green flags.
in men? Yeah.
I prefer all self-made persons.
Okay,
So,
that's one. Okay.
हाँ, so वो मेरे लिए बहुत green flag है. And मतलब self-made means, yeah, he can have good family background, but still he's working
खुद का
hard
कुछ
for
किया.
his career
Right,
and all.
right. ठीक है.
So that is green flag. And he should respect women.
Okay.
That is
Number
always
Number 3?
that person should be little witty. बहुत ज़्यादा वो गंभीर टाइप का
Right.
नहीं पसंद है
Sense of
actually.
humor थोड़ा
हाँ,
होना
sense
चाहिए.
of humor. So I can chill with that guy.
And 3
So,
red flags.
रेड फ्लैग्स अगेन अगर कोई गर्ल्स को नॉट ओनली गर्ल्स अगर दूसरों को रिस्पेक्ट ना करे
Disrespecting people.
डिसरिस्पेक्टिंग तो नंबर 1 नंबर 2 इफ द गाय इज लायर आई हेट लाइज जो भी है बोल दो यार फाइन मतलब लाइक दिस तो दैट्स अ सेकंड वन एंड द थर्ड वन अगेन इफ ही इज नॉट वेरी मोटिवेटेड उनको बस कैजुअल लाइफ चल रहा कैजुअल इज फाइन ठीक है बट something at least you should focus on.
Right.
So this too.
What is the one thing you wish that people stop asking about your career and about your choices?
They should.
They should not ask you.
When will you get married? Actually, my parents are already stopped.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
So parents stopped up. बाकी का क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है?
फर्क तो नहीं पड़ता बट पीपल शुड स्टॉप
They should stop. Absolutely. It's your personal life.
मेरा पर्सनल है मैं करूँ या ना करूँ मे बी मतलब हो सकता है मैं शादी नहीं करूँ तो
Correct.
it's my choice.
Absolutely.
हाँ.
What is your way of, asking something from, say, God or universe or whatever you believe
I'm a spiritual person, definitely. And whenever I talk to my God, my Almighty, I used to tell him or her, God, if you bless me, I can work for people. I always say this, कि अगर आप मुझे कुछ करोगे मैं उसको ब्लैकमेल करती हूँ काइंड ऑफ कि
Okay.
हाँ कि ना कि इफ यू ब्लेस मी then I will work for people so you should bless me okay like this so this kind of but yeah I'm a spiritual person actually.
Awesome. So we have this section called Straight or Twisted. Okay.
Mhm.
So I'll tell you 7 lines. You'll have to say just straight or twisted. Straight means it's true. Twisted means it might be false or half true or incorrect or whatever it is.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah, ready.
Awesome. And you have to be fast. And you can only use straight or twisted. You can't.
Will I get any hamper for this?
A production team, I don't think has a hamper right now.
Okay,
But we'll
fine.
send you something to your house, a small cute hamper.
Okay.
Production team, take care of this.
Okay.
Okay, so are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. An actor's popularity always guarantees success in their entrepreneurial ventures.
Straight.
Other countries have cheaper healthcare because the government controls prices.
Straight.
The South Indian film industry's work is better than the Bengali film industry.
Straight.
Successful actors have to sleep with their directors.
Twisted.
Eat less to look slim.
Sorry?
Eat less to look slim.
Straight. Obviously.
Doing
Proper diet.
doing a surgery to look good.
Straight. Sometimes.
You can't say that. You have to either say straight or twisted.
Okay, straight.
Okay.
needed now.
Cheating is normal nowadays in relationships.
Cheating is normal.
Nowadays in relationships.
Straight.
Okay.
happens.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Payal. It was a pleasure
Thank
talking to you. And I wish you all the best in everything that you do.
Thank you.
And I
thank
really
you.
hope to see you soon again.
Thank you. Thank Twisted Truth and for having me. Love you.
Thank you, guys.